Hi everyone, it's Lindsay, and this is my presentation over the Human Resource Framework. According to Bowman and Deal's Human Resource Frame of Leadership, the most important resource an organization has are its people. What they strive for is like a family-like structure where all of the parts work together towards a common goal. For this frame of leadership, the goal is to align the needs of the organization with human needs. So making sure what the people are good at fits with what the organization needs, and the organization can find people to employ that can work towards their end goals. So when these things don't align, they consider it a poor fit, and that can end in a suffering situation for both the organization and the people involved. But if you do find a good fit, of course, there will be benefits for both the organization and the people working there, and both will be able to find success. The leader in this situation is responsible for serving and meeting the needs of the organization and of the people. So they are there as a support source for everyone involved. In my own ideas of a hierarchy or a framework, I think that in my school, the students need to be at the center. The school exists to educate and serve students. So in my opinion, they are the most vital part of this equation. And then come the teachers and the paraprofessionals. They wouldn't be needed if the students weren't present. So they're there to strive each day to ensure that the needs of the students are met. And of course, parents and guardians play a vital role too. The teachers and paraprofessionals have to communicate and work with the parents and guardians because those are the people who have the most influence over the students that they're interacting with. Parents and the guardians are responsible for ensuring that students' basic needs are met, and if they fail to do that, then the responsibility comes oftentimes to the educators to fulfill those needs. Office staff, cooks, custodians, and maintenance personnel also play a vital role in the success of a school and its students. Without these people, the school would struggle to run smoothly, in my opinion. Office staff are the face of the school. They're the people who are seen first when people enter the building. When staff are there, parents and visitors coming through, office staff are often the first people they run into. They field hundreds of questions daily, and they take care of all of the necessary clerical work. The office staff members are often the glue that hold the school and its rules and procedures together. Cooks interact with students on a daily basis as well, and they ensure that students receive a balanced and nutritious meal, and often 2 meals a day too. Their attitude can have a significant effect on those that they serve each and every day. And for custodians and maintenance personnel, they work to ensure a safe, clean, and quality learning environment for students and a working environment for all of the staff. Without these people, we wouldn't have the level of comfort that we often are provided with. So they allow us to go about our daily duties efficiently and effectively. And then the last component is alumni and community members, and I think they are great assets to have and can provide extended learning opportunities for students. Having the support of the community and alumni resources can be a great advantage for any school. But then, of course, as the leader of any building, it will be my main job to ensure that all of these outside components, the teachers and paraprofessionals, parents and guardians, office staff, cooks, custodians, and maintenance personnel, along with alumni and community members, we have to make sure that they're all working together towards the main goal of providing students with the best experience and education we can possibly offer. I will promote the vision of always doing what is best for kids and strive to share the impact that each of these people groups can have on our students each and every day.